Today we're diving into why online newsletters are still a crucial tool for your online business. Sure, nobody wants to receive junk mail, but when done right, newsletters can be a most valuable asset in your marketing toolkit. Newsletters are perfect for keeping your community engaged, and whether you are running a membership site or growing your online business, they provide a direct line to your audience, bypassing the algorithms and uncertainties of social media. But here's the kicker: you need to make every email count. Trust is fragile, and if your subscribers start feeling like your emails are just filler, they will stop opening them. We're going to show you how to keep them excited to see your name in their email inbox. Setting up a newsletter can seem daunting, but Kajabi has made it super simple with the new newsletter product. I use Kajabi for our online businesses since 2014, and we have built multiple six-figure businesses on this platform. And as a programmer of specialized Kajabi templates like Kajabi Papers and Kajabi Gamify Pro, and they are available at Jiffy Course Online, I have deep knowledge of Kajabi's capabilities and limitations, and I can assure you that I can guide you to your success on this incredible platform with our content and information. And when I heard about the newsletter option, this new function, I was a bit skeptical about this feature at first. Kajabi introduced paid newsletters, and paid newsletters, this might compete with our specialized Kajabi template, Kajabi Papers. With Kajabi Papers you can create paid blog posts and really style them. But after studying this new product, this newsletter product, and playing with it, I see a huge potential, especially for people who are not using regular newsletters yet and people who take newsletters very seriously. I think the new newsletter function can help you to grow your business more fast, and I think every serious online business owner should use newsletters. It's vital to your business. If you don't have Kajabi yet, you can try Kajabi 30 days for free, and I can offer you twice the normal trial time if you use my partner link. Please know I'm a Kajabi partner. I get some commission if you decide to start your paid plan after your free trial. You don't pay anything extra, but you get more bonuses signing up through our partner link. It's a win-win. For example, apart from the double trial time, you also get our very powerful Gamify Pro template for free immediately. And with Gamify Pro, you can immediately start building the most engaging online courses in Kajabi nobody has seen before. You will love it. Just follow the link below this video. It's www.jiffycourseonline.com/Kajabi and start your free Kajabi trial now. Now let's talk about how you can leverage newsletters to build your online business. First off, owning your list is crucial. Unlike social media platforms where you're at the mercy of their algorithms, their policies, your email list is entirely yours. You can reach out whenever you want without any restrictions, and you can reach out to everybody. You never know whether social media platforms stay popular. If you think Facebook was there to stay, you're probably as old as I am. But don't ask your kids. They're no longer using it. With your own mailing list, you have control when you want to reach your followers, how, with what information, and your emails will stay in their inbox till they decide to archive it or delete it or read it again. Newsletters are so important because they help to build trust. And as I said earlier, trust is fragile. Make sure every newsletter that you send is packed with value. Make sure that reading your newsletters is worth their time. If it is, if they think, wow, this was valuable, they will open your next newsletter. But if they think, oh, this is fluffy, they probably skip your mails in the future. Don't use your newsletters to spam your audience with your offers. Nobody wants to get spammed, but also don't forget to mention your offers. It must be a balance between the valuable information and your offers. So what can you do? What can you add to your newsletters? Think of the things that are important to your community, like community wins. Share tips, tease future updates you have, and of course also include your offers. This is a way your subscribers will always look forward to hearing from you. Let me give you an example. We build our newsletters along a very simple format. First, we call them our Jiffy Journal, and you can subscribe to our Jiffy Journal at jiffycoursesonline.com. We always start our Jiffy Journal with a personal story. It can be a fail, it can be a loss, or it can be something we are really proud of. And we add a little bridge to one of our products or highlight that product or offer. And then we add some tips, and we love to spotlight one of our clients. That's all. And the feedback we get is that people love to read our stories. And it is one of the few newsletters they actually open and they actually read and they actually archive. Let me take you to Kajabi. Kajabi's new features make it even easier to manage your newsletters. The newsletter funnel is pre-built. It's completed with an opt-in page. Plus, the new editor is intuitive and allows you to edit and customize your newsletters effortless. Here we are in my Kajabi account. And when you go to products, you will find a new product that's called newsletter. And if you haven't created a newsletter yet, it will prompt you to create that newsletter. When it does, it immediately set up the few pages you need, like the opt-in page and your newsletter overview page and the newsletter page, and it will also create a form in your marketing settings. So when you go to marketing, you go to your forms, you will find a new form that's called Jiffy Journal Form Newsletter. And this form is used to get the people on your list. So what you can set up is a double opt-in, and if you don't want to have a lot of spam, we recommend to use double opt-in, or if you want, you can also use a single opt-in. You can set up your own thank you page, and Kajabi will immediately add an email, a welcome email to welcome the people on your newsletter. If you're not content or not happy with this email, just press this little pencil and update that email. We have added another tag, the newsletter tag, and we also removed the tag unsubscribe for Jiffy Journal because we keep track of people who didn't want to have the Jiffy Journal. And when they subscribe to our Jiffy Journal, they don't need that tag anymore. So that's the form we use. And when you go to your products again, to your newsletters, what you will see is the product newsletter. So you can create multiple newsletters, but we have just one here for demo purposes at this moment, and we haven't sent them out. But I can show you, here are the newsletters, and these are the emails you send to the people, and you find them here. You see they're published. You can duplicate them, create a new newsletter, and it's here, it's on draft, so you can update it, change it. There's statistics here, and when you send them out, you will find them also. You will find statistics about your audience, the engagement, and the health of your newsletter. When you go to one of the newsletters, click on it, and what you see, there's a new editor here for this newsletter. And when you are here in the text, you can just type it, and when you press the comment / or the plus sign, there are all kinds of styling options you can use, like bullet list, buttons, quotes, or you can use rulers, headings. So you can embed links, TikTok links, Twitter links, or X links, YouTube links. So they're immediately in your email, and they will also be on your newsletter website page. Let me head back to this page, and let's go to the preview as a free subscriber, so everybody can see this page. And what you will see is, here's the newsletter on our website, and when we scroll down, all the content is there, and people can even comment on that newsletter. So they can even comment on your emails. Then you will find other newsletters that are already on your list. So this is how they look. And when we go back to see all those newsletters, you'll find an opt-in form. We've updated it because we wanted the styling to match our website styling, and you will find the newsletters we already have created. And as we have duplicated this one, you will find it twice here. There's a share button. People can immediately share the newsletter also on social media, and you can add also following links for your social media. People can stay updated when they subscribe to your newsletter. So this is immediately there. When you start writing newsletters, it will be on your page. Now let's go to this one, because this one is published. And when you click on it, you see there's just a short part of your content, and then you will find a subscribe page. And when you go to subscribe, it will subscribe the people to your newsletter. So only the people that are subscribed and logged in to your website, they can see, they can read this newsletter. So if your newsletters are really valuable with a lot of tips and content, you can set up this subscribe wall inside your newsletter. It's very easy to do. You go to your newsletter here, you press the / and you can bring in a subscriber break, or you can bring in a paywall. Well, here is this subscriber break. You see that the people can only see this part, and the part below it's hidden behind that subscription wall. But what you also can do when we delete this subscriber break, you can also add a paywall break, and now people need to pay to see your newsletter. You can set up an offer, a specific offer with a price tag, and then people need to actually pay this before they can read your newsletter. So actually it's very simple to set up. Everything is there, and on your website you can show your newsletter. People can see it. They can see previous newsletters behind a subscription wall or a paywall. That's fine, that's up to you. So with newsletters, it's easy to set up, it's easy to create a mailing list and to get engaged with your following people. I think setting up a newsletter is so easy that every business owner should use newsletters. So what are you waiting for? If you're already using Kajabi, update your website template and start using this new newsletter feature today. And if you're already building your mailing list, if you already have a funnel and using the broadcast to send your emails, now's the perfect time to check this new feature and to see if it's helping you. And I think you will switch over, not alone because the newsletter people are subscribed to newsletters, and when they unsubscribe for newsletters, they stay subscribed to your marketing emails. And if you're not on Kajabi yet, take advantage of our free trial, 30 days, double the time, and you will get our highly valued Gamify Pro template for free. And you can see how easy it is with Kajabi to build your community with the newsletter feature and to build a real engaging course with Gamify Pro. You can use the link www.jiffycoursonline.com/Kajabi, or you will find it below this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe this video and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update from my channel. And let me know in the comments if you have started using the newsletter feature in your business and how this is working for you. I really love to hear your story. I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Course Online. Hope to see you next time.